What's up, rockers? This is Max with Rocky Mountain Builds. We're out here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're super excited because this is the first Sprinter that we've built. We've built a bunch of other vans, mainly Ford and Econolines and older Chevys, but it's nice to be working on something brand new. Today we're building a brand new 2023 Mercedes Sprinter 170 with the new all-wheel drive system. The new all-wheel drive system is, by all accounts, superior to the older four-wheel drive system because the older four-wheel drive system can only do around 30, 70 to the front wheels compared to the rear wheels, and the new system can do 50-50, and it's all the time, and there's no for high, for low. It just, day-to-day, it all works a lot better. So to start the build series, we're going to be covering the framing, the sound deadening, and the front door access divider area. This isn't really meant to be a tutorial, more so just a general build time-lapse. So right now I'm just going to cut down and install the furring strips. So right now I'm using the template I made earlier to cut down the pieces for the pocket door for the entrance from the cab to the rear of the vehicle. the general framing of the divider wall is done now. It's still missing the pocket door and all the hardware and everything, so there's still some work to do. So now we're getting into the construction of the wheel well covers. They're just 4-sided boxes. There's not a whole lot to it, just some cuts on the table saw. Finally getting to the roof rack. The roof rack's from Flatline Van Company. It's a low profile roof rack, so it doesn't really increase the height of the van that much. I think it's only 3 or 4 inches, which is really good because the van's already too tall and it hardly fits in our shop. So you shouldn't have to worry about any extra increased height with the roof rack on. And we also have a ladder from them as well. That really concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like the content and you want to follow along with the whole build with us. We'd really appreciate it. We're a new channel and we're trying to grow. So yeah, thanks for watching.